go in the offseason and teach and give clinics, that sort of thing. I think they learn a lot about how to play the game.
Another base hit. Ruiz lines one into left field. Rollins to third, getting the wave. Pierre does not have a strong arm. And Rollins will slide in with a go-ahead run, stopping at second. Feliz on the RBI single by Ruiz.
Well, that's what speed will do for you. If you're not Jimmy Rollins there, they probably have to stop you at third base. But Jimmy Rollins came around third under full head of steam.